What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel, The Indian Algo. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing a swing trading setup based on Wyckoff. So if you can see, we have this power grid chart right here. And what I'll try to do here is I'll try to make you understand why this is one of the highest probability setups that I will probably trade in the future, and how we can maximize or make some good money out of this trade. Probably 4 to 5% of my capital in this particular trade. And how are we going to do that? But before moving on to that particular understanding, just make sure, guys, do not take trade on the basis of what I'm trying to explain here. Things can go very wrong. Things can go very wrong for your case. Okay, so make sure, if you are make sure that this is not a trading call for you. Okay, just make sure whenever you're trying to invest anything, you take the whole responsibility to yourself, and I will not be held responsible for anything that I'm explaining here. All right, so let's try to understand what the market is doing. So first of all, if I try to understand the trend of power grid, if you see, this is how it is moving, right? It's in a very long term bullish uptrend. This is daily time frame, and it's on since Feb. It's in a bullish uptrend, right? Like it's in an uptrend. So what I'm supposed to do here is to not enter anywhere here, not enter anywhere here. Instead, what I'm supposed to do is understand when the prices are actually accumulating. When the prices are actually accumulating. Now, to develop that understanding, obviously it's gonna take some time, but let's try to identify Wyckoff here. And what I'll do is I'll be doing multiple analysis for you guys in the coming videos, so even you will be able to identify Wyckoff or the way I do on such charts. So if you see here, this is where a lot of people miss this up move. So this is what we call preliminary supply. And if you haven't seen the previous videos, just go back to my Wyckoff series playlist, and there you will there you will find out probably all of these terms that I'm using here. So PSY is preliminary supply. This is where a lot of people miss the up move. Okay, they miss the up move, and then there's a little retracement, and a lot of people will enter this up move expecting that the price will go higher from here, but instead this is our buying climax. This is where the move stops. This is where the move stops completely, and then what are we supposed to do is wait for the accumulation to be done. Probably it will reaccumulate and move higher, or it will distribute and move lower. So as of now, as it is in an uptrend, it is accumulating right here. So what I'm going to do in this case is, yeah, just trying to identify the labels, the phases and everything. This is buying climax. So as a result of buying climax, we get an automatic rally. Now after I get an automatic rally, the price simply creates some liquidity. A very simple explanation, that's it. A very simple explanation. The prices are creating liquidity here. So this is my ST, so even this could be my ST, and then I see a spring action that took place here. So this is my spring action around this area. Now once I have this spring action, you see this huge up move taking out all of the supply. Taking out all of the supply is my sign of strength. This is my sign of strength. You can definitely call this as your sign of strength, or you can also call this up move as your sign of strength. It's fine. It's fine. There are multiple sign of strength that you see, because this huge up move took out all the supply here. Hence this is a pretty huge sign of strength. Now after this SOS, we get the prices come back here, and this is where the price creates an LPS, last point of support. Okay, last point of support. This is where you get your build up and LPS. Okay, now there are things that are little subjective. You can also call this as SOS. It's better to call this as SOS, probably my mistake, because this up move finished here and all the supply was taken out. So SOS, last point of supply support, and build up. Now, if you see, we are not supposed to enter anywhere here. We have to wait for the prices to come back to an area where the prices are previously accumulated. So the prices are coming back down here. Now somewhere here, if you remember the order block criteria that we had previously, how I draw order blocks is, this is a down candle. So if this is a down candle, it's supposed to be like this. And then I have an up candle that will look something like this, right? So this now becomes my bullish order block. And if I draw the 50% around this area, I need the prices to come down right here, mitigate. The prices should mitigate, break above, and I can see huge momentum. I can see huge momentum coming in. But this is what some SMC trader would do, right? This is what some SMC trader would do. But as a Wyckoff trader myself, what I prefer is, I'm pretty sure that this particular area, these will act as good resistance. These areas will act as good resistance, and this area will act as good support around this area. Okay, so the prices are gonna be in a sideways move around this area. Probably they will reaccumulate. They will reaccumulate their positions. So what even I will do here is add few of my positions here. Okay, add few of my positions here. Wait for the prices to catch break out of this area. Wait for the prices to break out of this area. Start sustaining above this area. Probably one fake out, probably second fake out, and then when the price actually breaks out, this is where I will add more to my position and expect a pretty huge up move. So I can actually make 4 to 5% in a single trade, in a single swing trade, without losing much commission. Just one probably very less commission, right? Very less commission. So if I'm risking 1%, if I'm risking 2%, I'll probably make 8 to 10% in this particular trade. But you have to be very careful about your choices. This is a chart that I'm waiting for an opportunity since a lot of time. Okay, I need to wait for the price to actually come in here. But yes, I do get opportunities on other charts as well. But just imagine, this one right trade can actually make my 1 month. Okay, can actually make my 1 month, can actually make 2 months of worth of profits. So this is how you need to understand and trade things, guys. Keep a watch on Powergrid. Soon we will check. See, this is not 100% assurity that the price will go up. Okay, it's all about your risk, right? What if the market crashes? What if the people here do not want to buy things anymore? Okay, so we are just going with the probability that we see here. We're just going with the Wyckoff analysis that we see here. See, as per Wyckoff, he only trades when the price actually breaks above this area, sustains, and then it starts moving higher. Okay, so this is where he only likes to indulge in his trading style, but used to indulge in his trading style. But we can definitely accumulate around this area and add more positions around this area. Okay, so just be careful. I'm making it pretty sure that, guys, this is not an advisory or calling. This is not a call. So just make sure that you do not simply take trades on the basis of what I am saying here. Okay, it can be very like painful for you guys. So just make sure you're trying to learn all of this stuff and then taking trades as per your convenience and as per your understanding, and also, yes, discussing with your financial advisor. Alright, guys, so if you like this video, just make sure you hit the like button, share the video as much as you can, and make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, because I'll be doing a lot of this stuff. See, swing trading, do not underestimate swing trading. It's very important. Do not underestimate swing trading. There are a lot of people who eventually end up making 10% or 5% taking intraday trades at the end of the month. And just imagine, look at this, one right trade can actually give me 4 to 5% worth of profits. Less painful, less stressful, and very peaceful. Very peaceful. It's just that I need to keep that patience. That's it. Once I try to take my trades around these areas, I simply have to wait and then expect the price to move higher. That's what I simply have to do, guys. And make sure you join my Discord server. I upload all of these charts uh, even before uploading on YouTube. I upload all of that on the Discord server. So if you haven't gone through my Discord server, just make sure that you go through it, guys. You will get to know a lot of stuff around that area. So this is my Discord server here. I post my charts, I post my trades even before taking them most of the time. This is SDFC SDFC chart, right? So I had shared it previously, and we did got a good up move from here. Okay, so this is what we do. So just make sure guys you are here. You can go through all of these things. You can ask your doubts to me, and yes, we can build up a good community where we all are helpful to everyone. It's not just me. Probably there are some good traders out there who can help me out as well in increasing or helping me, probably taking more accurate trades. Okay, so I'm open to learning everything. So just make sure guys you can definitely join the Discord server. So this is where I end the video. Hope you guys liked it. Just make sure, do not forget to subscribe to the channel guys, and share the videos as much as you can. Let's grow guys, let's grow. We are at around 886 or 87 subscribers, and we are about to reach 1000. So I'll be doing live streams and discussing all of these charts prior to the prior to a trading day, and probably we'll do it 2 to 3 days in a week, and your learning curve will definitely increase. So as soon as we reach 1000 subscribers, we will jump on to doing all the live streams guys. So just go ahead. Yep, and that's it guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.